girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm partying. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna lay with you. That's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I can see your eyes, you feel. Can you feel it, baby? 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 Kissing you here, fucking you right, loving you there, loving you right. Fuck with a pro, come baby, fuck with a pro. When you gon' let me know? I've been kissing you slow. Fuck with a pro.
Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. Teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Lil vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato, with Shawty get in the work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or ignorant with perks. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, it's destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important, baby, cause I'm a whole nine.
Fantasy. I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know if I keep sick of me. Don't know. Let me teach you all the signs of love. Baby, this was for you.
What's up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a review for Nadula hair. This is one of their Yaki straight units and I wanted to do something a little bit different with the Yaki straight unit because I have like reviewed kinky straight. Yaki straight is similar, but I feel like it's a little bit silkier for me because I feel like if I don't come up close, like you don't know that it's Yaki hair. Like you would just think this is a regular, you know, straight unit. You wouldn't assume that this was Yaki at all. When I unboxed it, it was pretty bone straight, which I feel like is cool, but I feel like this looks a whole lot better like with the waves in it, you know what I'm saying? It adds a little bit of extra little something. So this is how it turned out, and I just used like this wand curler. It doesn't even have a brand, like this has no brand on it whatsoever. I'm not sure how you can get your hands on one of these. I don't even know the inch for this one, but it has like a bunch of different heads that you can like interchange. They have a smaller one, they have bigger ones, they have ones that are like shaped differently that you can just take in and out. But I've had this for a really long time and it doesn't even have like degrees. It just has like 0, 1, and 2. So that's like how the heating goes. And I did have mine on too, but I like these really pretty, like just like soft waves, nothing too crazy, which I like. You know, I feel like something like this is just really classy, something that you can definitely wear like for any occasion, but specifically I would wear mine like this like if I was going out to dinner or something like that. Definitely good like if you have like a really nice like silk dress on, like, you know what I mean, like grown and sexy kind of vibe. So that's pretty much the look that I went for today. This is what it's giving, and I didn't put any like hairspray or anything like that to like keep it in place. The only part that does have a little hairspray is like right here, just to like keep that little, you know, lift going on here, so it's not just like flat, because before it was just like pretty flat. So that's just to like kind of shape it a little bit more. But I really like how it turned out. I didn't like finger comb it like how I normally would, but I feel like it just came out so pretty. Something that's literally like beginner friendly, so if you don't know how to like curl, this is going to be the best way to do it, because trying to use like a barrel curl is like kind of hard for a lot of people, but I feel like using a curling wand is a lot easier. And not only that, it's just quicker to do as well. It doesn't take very long at all to use the wand curls. And this is not like a jet black, but it does look like that like from afar. This is more so like a really dark brown color. Like if I come up closer, you can see it's more of like a dark brown than it is like a jet black, but you can still see that texture in it. And I did want to curl it just because I've been receiving a lot of these lately and I've only worn them straight. Like I don't really curl them. I did like try to do barrel curls in one of them, but I don't really know if it turned out that great. I don't really know how I like that one, but this one is just like super bomb. I really like how this turned out. And I feel like it's one of those looks too, when it comes to wand curls, like as time goes on, like the curls get looser and it's just a lot better. But I will say when you have like Yaki hair, like it doesn't really hold a curl often. So you probably would want to add some kind of, you know, hairspray, but just be careful with it, because sometimes if you don't use the right hairspray, it can get like that white flaky kind of vibe, and I don't really like that. So just be mindful of that when you are using different hairsprays. This is not even a lace front, so the lace is like all around here, and I didn't use anything to adhere it. I do have just a little something here in the center, but other than that, like, you know, I can use my comb and just go like right up underneath that lace there. So there isn't anything like adhering it. So if you do want to wear this as a glueless unit, you definitely can. So this is a 7 by 5 inch closure unit. As you guys see, the parting space is super deep, like really deep, which I absolutely love. And I did put some concealer in my part, as you guys saw. That is, it's definitely optional. You don't have to put the concealer in the part, but that's just something that I did just to help it like stand out a little bit more. And you guys also saw that the edges were actually like textured a little bit, but I did end up using my hot comb to just like kind of smooth those out. But if you want to keep them, you definitely could, but I just don't like mine to look like that. I like my look to be very sleek and just, you know, that's just how I like mine. And this unit also is a bye-bye knots unit. They also give you lace tape, but I don't really use tape. I might try that like in a future install or something, like taping the unit down. But the only thing about that is just that like when you have makeup on, the tape is not really sticking to your skin. It's like the makeup almost acts like a barrier, so it doesn't stick as good. So that's the only downside to like using the tape, but I will try to do that in like a future install for you guys, just to see like how the tape thing works, because I have been seeing that a lot of the packages are coming with that. But yeah, this is a 24 inch nonetheless. This unit is definitely on the, I feel like, I would say on the lighter side as far as density. I don't feel like it's anything too full. I would say this is probably even like 150% density, and I feel like adding the curls in it makes it look a little bit thicker. But I feel like if you wear it bone straight, it's gonna look thinner. But I just didn't want to wear it bone straight. I feel like that would be kind of boring, so that's why I did add the wand curls in it, and I feel like it turned out really pretty. This is where it's hitting on me, and then on the side, so it's like just above like my butt or whatever, and this side. And then I'll sit down too, so I can sitting down. So yeah, if you guys are interested in checking out this Yaki straight unit, I will have a link down below for you guys. If you have any questions that I didn't answer, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. I really do like it. I like it both straight and I like it with the curls in it as well, and it just has like a lot of parting space. I think I should show you guys a little bit more as far as like parting space is concerned, like, you know what I'm saying? You get a lot. So you get like all of this in the front. So if you don't want to wear it like in the middle part, you don't have to. You can definitely wear it like in a side part. You can add like braids to it and, you know, jazz up. You know, a lot of the units have been coming like pre-styled, so you can add braids to it if you want to. You can definitely do a half up, half down with this kind of unit. You can do a lot of different things, so that's the upside to it. Absolutely love it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.